Today I will be unboxing the January Cherry Box. The Cherry Box is a monthly paper crafting subscription. You'll get this fun little box of a bunch of different paper crafting goodies. It's different every month. There's often mixed media items, there's always some type of paper, and some new things to try out. So let's get started. So this January box is filled with a bunch of blues and winter tones. Here's the card that comes in it. And it has a whole list of everything that is in the Cherry Box. So already, first glance, there is a lot of blues and teals and fun winter themed items. So first I see this cute little glassine envelope. In here are some journaling cards along with some ephemera and sequins. Next we have some Distress Oxide in the speckled egg color. You would either get this Distress Oxide, or you could get a Distress Paint or Distress Ink. So one of the new speckled egg colors. One of these products will be in the box. We also have some Cosmic Shimmer glitter. There are a few different shades of these as well, but they're all in the blue tones. We have some snowflake stickers. These are cute. They have a little gemstone in the center. Add a little pop and a little sparkle. We have these Snap Circle Photo Crops. These are really fun because they perfectly crop your photo into a circle. And there's multiple different sizes. They go from 2 inches, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4 inches. We have some ephemera from the Winter Market collection by Carta Bella. This is a really cute collection. It's really fun for winter. I love all the blues in here. It's just very wintry. So here we have some Sticky Thumb adhesive foam dots. These are great for adding a little bit of dimension to your pages. And we have the 6x6 paper pad of the Winter Market collection from Carta Bella. This goes along with the ephemera. And there's a lot of winter outdoor themes in here. There's a lot of snowflakes, and just really pretty colors. With snowmen, some more snowflakes. We have some skiing people. This page is really cute. Bunch of little tags. And last but not least, we have a Snap Flipbook. This is really fun. It comes with 10 pages. There are 3 6x8 pages, 3 4x6 pages, 2 3x4 pages, and 2 3x4, along with half of a page being 4x6. So like this is a full page. Then there are some half pages. And these are really nice because these dividers in here, it just makes scrapping your photos super quick and easy. You can also throw in these journaling cards that you got in here and fill up some 3x4 areas. And then there are also some 3x4 and 6x4 pages. So a good range of pages. And these are, you can add to these, you can buy more refills. And here, I'll show you how you can add to it. You just slide that to one side, and see it's already popping open, and then slide it to the other and pull up this. And just like that, you can pull this off, and then there you go, and you can add your new pages on here. You can take these out and rearrange them, and they're great to add on to. So with these, you will have one of 3 colors. There's this mint color, there is this teal color, or you'll get this navy. This is the one that I already filled up. But, oh, and you can see the snowflakes here. I have the ephemera from the Winter Market collection. I use the speckled egg in a lot of my backgrounds. But yes, so you'll get one of these 3 colors. The great winter colors, they all go with the Winter Market collection beautifully. And I hope you have fun with this cherry box. I know I had a lot of fun with it. So make sure to tag us on social media using your cherry box items. You can use our hashtag #thecherrybox, so we can see what you've been making. We hope you love your flip books. They're a lot of fun to fill up. They say it's making memories in a snap, and it really is. All you have to do is just slide your photos or your layouts in these pages, and it is a lot of fun. So we hope you enjoy this box.